Loom. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this sparkle square bracelet. You will need 2 looms for this project, and if you want to use one loom, you will have to use an extension. Your loom should be set up in the rectangular configuration, just like this. You will need 24 glass seed beads for this project. You will need to place 2 beads on each colored band, and I will show you how. So you're going to put 2 seed beads on your string. I'm going to be using fishing wire. You can also use dental floss. So put 2 seed beads on your string and then put your band on. Oops. And then kind of pull the beads away from the band and then slide this end right here through both of the beads. And then you're just gonna slide the beads onto the band, just like that. I threaded all of my beads ahead of time. The first thing you're gonna do is take one clear band and put it from the first middle peg to the second left peg, diagonally across. Then you're going to go from the first middle peg to the second right peg, diagonally across again. Then you're going to go up on the left side and then up on the right side. Then you're going to take your beaded band and go up on the left side and up on the right side. Then you're going to take one clear band again and go up on the left side twice. And then go to the right and go up twice as well. And then you can push your bands down. Then you're going to take your beaded band and go up on the left and then up on the right. And then take 2 clear bands and go up twice on the left and up twice on the right. And now you can push your bands down. And you're going to continue that pattern. So another beaded band on each side. And then go up twice on the left and twice on the right. And then your blue beaded band. And then twice up on each side. And then your beaded. Oops. Make sure you do your clear 2 times and then your colored band once. Finally, I'm going to go up on each side. And then go into the middle diagonally on the left and then on the right. Now we're going to be placing our crossbands. So I'm going to start with orange, and we're not going to be placing it from here. We're going to be placing it from here, so where my orange bands start. We're going to double it, so cap it, so it's double capped, and place it from here on these 3 pegs. So make sure it's wrapped around twice, so a capping band. Then we're going to cap this band and place it across on the top of the orange. Then I'm going to start with my blue again, or my blue, and cap it and cross it here. Then you're going to do the same on the top of the blue. Cross it. And make sure they're just doubled, not like tripled or anything. Then we're going to do our purple. And we're not going to be placing it here. That's where the clear is. Where the colors are, that's where we're going to be placing it. The top and the bottom. Or sorry, the top and the bottom. And we're going to do my blue. And the top. Then the orange again. And then the blue. And now we're finished doing the crossbands. So once you're finished doing all of these crosses, now we're going to take a clear rubber band and cap it, and just place it on the last peg where we did the diagonal bands. So just a capping band there, right here. Now we can turn our loom around so that the red arrow is pointing towards us. Now we can take our hook. You can use a metal hook or the plastic one. I'm going to be using the metal. And you pull back the capping bands. Make sure the red arrow is pointing towards you. So you're going to pull back the capping band and grab the band that's underneath it, the first one, and bring it to that peg. Then we're going to pull back the capping band again and grab the single band that's left and bring it to the right. Now we can pull back this band that is on the left and grab the single clear band that goes forwards. And make sure when we're looping the colored bands, you don't grab the wrong one. So make sure you always pull this back and grab the colored one and loop it forwards. And pull it back, grab the clear one and loop it forwards. And continue that all the way down this side. So once you get to the end here, you're just going to pull back the clear band and grab the one that goes into the middle, the diagonal band. Then we can push our bands down. Now we're going to go back to the capping band. Since we've already looped that band, we're going to pull that band that we looped before back, grab the single clear one, and we're just going to pull these back all the way down until we reach the end and continue on this row. So make sure you pull these bands back. So once you get to here, you're just going to grab the band that goes diagonally into the middle. So your loom should look like this. Now you can just push these bands down with your hook. Now you can take your hook and stick it down where the red arrow is and grab a single clear band. You can always take two clear bands if you're worried about one of the bands snapping or something, but I think it'll be fine if you take it off carefully. So just kind of and if you have an extra hook to help it come off, that'll be good too. This is what it should look like when you finish taking it off the loom. So now I'm just going to attach my C-clip. So I'm going to take this off really carefully and put my two fingers through it so it doesn't come off. And then attach the C-clip. And then go to the other end and put it on the capping band. There you have your sparkle square bracelet. Thanks for watching.